Hey, how is it going? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us on this video. Right, so I'm just going to throw this video together. It's a quick one. I'll do a quick voiceover. Right, what we got here. Alright, I've had this sent to me from ADIDAS this morning. So I'll just crack it open. Let's take it from here. Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you go out, check out some email contents. By all means, there's plenty up on there for you lot, keep you going. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. You get some idea of what I base my channel on. We look at a variety of sneakers. Recently, I brought to you a couple of UAs, replicas, and we're doing a few black light tests. So why not join in on the fun? As I say, it's all for you lot. Gives you an idea of what's out there. You can start making your choices as well. Yeah, these quick videos can be quite handy, so it's helped me out in the past anyway. Yeah man, so we're getting there slowly. So you know, it's just move everything aside. Take this out. Yeah, it's a nice pretty pink, fiery pink box. They've gone all out on that. Looks nice. If you lot have any idea what it is, we're getting there. We're going to crack it open now. Look, just hold on. Just move everything aside again. Alright, look at that. So, yeah, I'm not compared the sizing on this. I know sometimes Adidas can get it wrong. They tell you to go up half a size, or maybe a full size up. Nice stamped feature there. Looks nice. So yeah, right, let's get it open. All these Yeezys and these, they come out with all these slide box styles. I'm working with one hand on there. I've got the camera in my other hand, so please bear with me. We're getting there. So right. So here is your first look at the ADIDAS IV Hearts. Yeah man, so that's that for you. I don't really know much else to say for it, other than it's a slide and it goes on your foot, and it's very basic. I was looking at the texture on the upper here, where it's I don't know if it's leather. I gave it a little sniff. It could be synthetic. It seems like a good build, looking at it. Yeah, I mean, judging by this, it's okay, it's saying it's got some been treated with leather. So yeah, I mean, It could be leather. It's a good build. It's got that extra heel there, thickness. But yeah, very nice. Yeah, I'm just going to wrap it up from here now. You've not heard my voice for a while, so make sure to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Yeah, and I shall catch you on my next video.